Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Docs tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to strike through text on Google Docs. Strike through literally means applying a line struck through the text you want. It's a very common official expression to convey a specific opinion. In Google Docs, there is a pretty much simple and easy way to do that. Let me show you how. First thing you need to do is select the text area you want to apply strike through. Go to Format at the top. Hover over your cursor to text and then select Strike Through. Strike Through will be applied to your selected text area. You also can do that with a keyboard shortcut. Select the text area and then press Alt-Shift-5. If you want to undo this feature, then select the Struck Through area and press Alt-Shift and 5 again. Your text will be normal again. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.